Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the third PR package from KADSNAILART. We have Halloween and Christmas stamping plates. If you want to try these out, the link is on the description box below, and never forget to use my 10% discount coupon code KADSHoneycrunch321. Can't wait to try these stamping plates. Thank you so much, KADSNAILART! If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!